Hi all, you're welcome in your own channel Future Technology. In this video, we will understand what is the difference between data science and data analysis. We know that data related work is done in both the data science and data analysis field. Then what is the difference between both areas? We will understand this difference in this video. This video is going to be quite interesting, so you guys see it till the last. First we understand what is data science. Data science is the study of data. It involves developing method of recording, storing and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. The goal of data science is to gain insight and knowledge from any type of data, both structured and unstructured data. Data science is a concept used to tackle big data. Data analytics. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions about that information. Many of the techniques and process of data analytics have been automated into mechanical process and algorithms that work over raw data. Data analytics refer to qualitative and quantitative techniques and process used to enhance productivity and business gain. Data is extracted and categorized to identify and analyze behavioral data and patterns, and techniques vary according to organizational requirements. Data analytics is also known as data analysis. Now we understand which skill required for data science and data analytics. Data scientist. Knowledge of a Python coding, must be able to work with unstructured data, SQL database coding, in-depth knowledge of R, data analytics, mathematics and statistical skill, communication and data visualization skill, knowledge of SQL, R and Python, machine learning and programming skill. Now we understand which type of jobs a data scientist and data analyst get. Job role. A data science provider job roles are data scientist, data engineer, big data architect, and a data analytics provider job roles are data analyst, statistician, and database administrator. Key difference. Data science is the whole multidisciplinary field that includes domain expertise, machine learning, statistical research, data analytics, mathematics and computer science. And data analytics is a significant part of data science where data is organized, processed and analyzed to solve business problems. Data science involves search engine exploration, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Data analytics, the scope is limited to analytical technique, mostly using statistical tools and techniques. The aim of data science is to find and define new business problems that lead to innovation. The problem is already known in data analytics, and with analytics, the analyst tries to find the best solution to the problem. Data science used for recommender system, internet research, image recognition, speech recognition, and digital marketing. Data analytics used in domain areas like healthcare, travel and tourism, gaming, finance and so on. Data science involves finding solutions to new and unknown problems by discovering them and converting data into business stories and use cases. Data analysis only goes through analysis and interpretation. However, there is no roadmap created. A data scientist and data analyst also differ in the manner of handling data. A data scientist is responsible for handling unstructured data also and uses NoSQL. A data analyst mostly manages structured data and uses SQL queries for such purpose. If we talk about salary, then the salary of data science is more than that of the data analysis. Guys, all of you comment below and tell which field you like in data science and data analytics. Guys, in this video, we understand the difference between data science and data analysis. If you want to learn data science, then there is a playlist of a data science course on our channel. Link to data science playlist is in I button and description. You can learn from it. If you are interested in computer science, computer technology and computer engineering information, then subscribe to our channel. We upload video related to computer science, computer technology and computer engineering every day. And if you like this video, then like it and share it. Thanks for watching.